Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are going to learn about how to calculate the weight of steel beams, channels, and bracing pipes. In this video, we are going to take out the quantity for the steel structure shown in the above image. The structure contains of ISMB 250 for columns, ISMB 200 for rafters, ISMC 125 for purlins, and round pipes for bracings. So let's find out the number of columns, beams, rafters, purlins, and bracings available in the above structure. The above structure size is of length equals 30 meters, width equals 12 meters, and height of structure equals 6 meters, and having a frame spacing of 6 meters each. The total numbers of ISMB columns used equals 12 numbers. The total numbers of ISMB rafters used equals 12 numbers. The total numbers of ISMC purlins used equals 30 numbers. So let's first calculate the weight per meter of ISMB 250 in cross-sectional view shown. Here are the ISMB 250 properties as per IS 808 along with cross-sectional image. Cross-sectional area calculation is done below. For ISMB sections. Now let's convert the cross sectional. The result from square millimeters to square meters. Density of steel equals 7,850 kilograms per cubic meter. Finally, the total weight per meter is 37.3 kilograms per meter. Remaining calculations will be continued in part 2.